Meaning of dredger.
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 Dredger. A dredger is a type of vessel used for excavation and material removal from the bottom of bodies of water. The process of dredging involves the use of specialized equipment such as excavators, pumps and hydraulic mechanisms to remove sediment, debris and other materials from the ocean floor, riverbeds or lakes. Dredging is typically undertaken to improve navigation channels for ships, to create new harbors or berthing areas, or to extract valuable minerals or aggregates for construction purposes. Dredgers can range in size from small boats to large ships and are an essential tool for many industries that rely on water transport or marine resources.